Hi friends, and this is the finish of our tutorials about the Insta, because we will show you how to delete our accounts at all. It's not the deactivation temporary of your user, but it's how to delete and remove your account from Instagram app at all. And let's check how to do it in a simple way. So let's tap on Insta app, and when we are on the profile page, let's click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the settings. Later we need to choose account and go to the delete account section. We don't need to pick on the first option, deactivate temporary, but tap on the next one, like delete account, which means at all. Continue and delete an account, and later we need to choose the reason why we want to delete our account, because as an example I will set this one option, and after I need to set my current password on the period bar. And right now I'm so sorry, but I need to take away my phone and set it. Wait a minute please. Right now, after I need to tap on the delete and name of my Instagram account. Okay, so let's wait a minute, and from now on, as you can check, I have the notification that my account was deactivated and removed successfully. This is my second one, and from now on I can check it on the as you can check logout. I won't have my first account on the list, which means that it was really deleted and I am not able to open it in a usual way. So guys, I hope that from now on you know how to delete your account from the Insta without any troubles. And if you are interested in process how to deactivate your account, your user temporarily, let's check another tutorial on our YouTube channel, which I hope is very interesting and useful also. And don't forget about likes. Goodbye!